Yo, what is good? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Bryan. I'm an 18-year-old entrepreneur here in New York City, and on this channel I document my life and my journey as a videographer. I know a few of you are curious. I mean, I'm sure the title's probably giving away what we're doing today, but we are in fact picking up a brand new camera. And the vlogs won't be on this camera, but all of my production stuff will be on the camera. All my future client work is going to be done on this camera. All of my new car edits and stuff are going to be done on this camera. Not only the camera, but we have a bunch of other gear coming in the near future, and my entire production game is slowly stepping itself up. I couldn't be any more happy, any more grateful. Today's kind of like a little milestone for me. I saved the first half of the money, saving all my graduation money, Christmas money, birthday money. I saved as much as I could. Every single video I've done for a client, I've taken, man, it has to be more than half of what I've gotten paid and put it away towards this camera. I've been waiting such a long time for this. It's been about a year since I got this camera. That doesn't seem like a long time, but it's definitely felt like a long time, and I'm definitely ready for an upgrade. I know you guys probably miss this thing a lot. I haven't made a video in forever with the car, but I promise there's a lot more content on the way. So today we're just buying the body of the camera. I completely forgot that we ordered, when I say we, I mean my good friend Kevin and I, we ordered the lens the other day before I even got the body. And the lenses was actually in my lobby waiting for me, so that's awesome. So before I can even start the video, I want to give a huge shout out to my guy Kevin for hooking it up the way that he did. That dog is gonna make things really difficult right now. Okay, so luckily they put away the dog really quick, but this video would not even be possible if it wasn't for Kevin. You guys might remember Kevin. I don't even know if he popped up in the video, but I mean, if he did, it's definitely going to be playing right now. Kevin, we're gonna make some videos with Kevin soon. He's a photographer as well. So.
Let's take pictures really.
Matthew and I met Kevin at a Best Buy local to me, and Kevin from day one was hooking it up. I mean, we got to Best Buy. Actually, I was buying the GorillaPod that I'm using now, this thing that I'm holding the camera with. So we went in to buy that, and Kevin was like, "Yo, hold up, you know, I could maybe get a better price for you," and he got us a better price on the GorillaPod. So Kevin once again came through completely clutch. Nicest guys I've ever met. Mom! That's my mom. So Kevin has also introduced me to an awesome friend of his, and we've actually became pretty good friends since then. His name is Matthew. You guys will meet both of them today. I'm super excited that they're going to be part of this little experience for me. I couldn't be more excited. I couldn't be more grateful for today. I've been waiting for this day for a really, really long time, and I think it's the perfect video to bring to you guys. No car stuff, unfortunately, but definitely a very important pivot point in my journey as a videographer. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead, meet up with Kevin and Matthew, and get this show on the road.
You get the adapter using the lens.
Yo guys, so this was Kevin. This is Kevin I was talking about. Kevin absolutely hooked it up on this entire day. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only.
What's up, dude?
Yo.
What's up, man? How are you?
It's good to see Handed it over to the next.
That's it right there.
This is it. I don't even want to open it because I feel like it's not real and it's like
not in there.
This is crazy.
What are the only? Oh, look at the muscles, bro. The biceps.
I still gotta do my push-ups today. Sony A7 III, even though the A7 R4 like just came out.